Hello YouTube, my name's Keenan. I'm actually going to walk you through trying to replace a T-Con board in a Samsung LCD TV. Little background on this. Actually bought this TV on Craigslist for about 50 bucks. And the guy I bought it from basically said that TV is a great picture. I think it was made in 2010. But had vertical lines going on through the screen. He said his wife had just bought him a new TV, so he didn't want to really hassle with trying to replace it. He knew that pretty much the T-Con board in it had one out on it. So basically he's just trying to get rid of it. And I needed something for my garage, so I went and picked this up. And it's really not that hard of a process to do. Just basically taking the back panel off and just replacing the board. All you need is pretty much is the model number of your TV. You can go on eBay, you can go on a place called shopjimmy.com. Mine's an LN46C600 model TV, 46-inch Samsung TV. So that's pretty much it. I'm going to walk you through showing you how to take the back panel off, replacing the board, and hopefully getting this thing started. Side note, this T-Con board I actually got off of eBay. Came out a used older one. We got it for $29.99, $3.46 shipping, and it got here pretty much early in the week. So now, waited to show you guys. I'm gonna go ahead and put it together. So first thing I'm gonna do is remove the stand, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take the back panel off. So I have 4 screws for my stand here that I'm going to take out. And don't worry about really trying to get them all organized. You can if you want to. Luckily for this, they're all the same size. So I don't really have to worry about mismatching it or putting in a specific order. But like I said, they're all the same size. So I took the 4 screws out the base and slide my stand right out. We're gonna sit that to the side. And I have my TV setting on a stand and with a blanket, because you want to kind of protect the face of the TV. So now I'm gonna remove all the screws that are actually securing the back panel cover to the actual LCD screen. Like I said, you don't have to worry necessarily about the size because they're all the same size as the CV stand screws, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. Basically, you just want to make sure you get every screw out of it. You know, all along the perimeter of the TV itself. And an electric screwdriver makes it go pretty quick. Move my T-Con board out the way. So now I think I've gotten all the screws out. So I should be able just to lift this back panel off. And I'm going to set this aside. Okay, so basically here, the T-Con board which actually connects to the main board, which actually kind of makes your screen not have the vertical lines on it. So T-con board is hidden underneath this, which connects to the main board here, which connects to the power board here. Definitely don't touch anything over here. There's capacitors over here, especially if you just unplug your TV like mine. Still carry enough voltage to give you a pretty good shot. So definitely stay away from here. We're just kind of shooting in this area anyway, so I don't have any business over there. So we're gonna unscrew this little panel, which actually holds the T-con board underneath here. Let me actually take out the speakers, move the speakers, these guys right here. We're gonna move these out the way. So I'm gonna disconnect that, slide that there, and slide this over here, like that. And then, like I said, we gotta take this panel out. Put the screws there. And there. Let's screw here. Let's screw over here. Take this out. So we'll remove this. And basically, T-con board is connected by, it's obviously screwed down pretty good right there. But it's basically 3 connectors here that you want to be careful. You don't want to come in here with a screwdriver because it's pretty delicate and you don't want to have to order a new cable set to do that. But basically, there's 3 more screws right here to hold it actually down. I'm going to see if I can't get it out with this. I might have to get a different screwdriver, which I will. So hang on. Okay, got my screwdriver, my little one for get these 3 little screws out of this T-con board. We'll put that there. We'll put this here. And they're tiny, so try not to overstrip them, but I still got to get them out. Don't put too much pressure on them. And basically, this is loose now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the tape off this top connector, so I can at least get. And then I'm going to lift the latch up, which was this first connector now. And then I'm going to slide this out the board like that. Like I said, tape held down there. I'm going to lift this connector here, a fingernail, and this one here, fingernail. I'm going to pull it. We're going to sit that right there. And then as you can see, there are my screws. And there is the bad connector, or the bad T-con board. This little thing, like I said, not very expensive, but fixes the vertical blinds. You find it on eBay, find it on Shop Jimmy. And then I'm just going to replace that with this brand new one. Installation is reverse of the removal. Put it back. That's all you guys need. Thanks for watching.